Hi everyone. So today we're going to be learning about finding the lateral and total surface area of a cone. So the first thing we need to know is, what is a cone? It's very similar to a pyramid because it only has one base, but instead of the base being a polygon, it's going to be a circle, a circular base. Okay? So now let's talk about the lateral surface area. Now remember, lateral surface area is the area of everything on the 3D shape except the base. So the formula for it, lateral surface area, LA, is equal to pi r L. Pi, and then the radius of the circle, of the circular base, and then the L stands for the slant height. So the slant height is right here. It's along the side of the cone. It is not the height from the center to the top of the cone. It is this slant height. It's slanted. Now to find total surface area, so we're going to call that TA. It is the lateral surface area all around, but now we're including the base. The base is a circle. So think for a minute, how do you find the area of a circle? Hopefully we thought about it in our head and got it. We're adding on the base, which is a circle. The area of a circle is pi r squared. So now we are going to use those formulas to do an example together, okay? Here's our cone. We're going to find the lateral surface area first. So lateral, let's write our formula. Lateral is pi r L, okay? So our radius is 4, and our slant height is here, 5. And 4 times 5 is 20. So we put the 20 first, and then the pi is going to come after. Now that's how you leave your answer in terms of pi. And our unit is centimeters squared. Remember, it's still area, so the unit is squared. If we wanted to find the decimal form of that, we would just grab our calculator right here, and we're going to type in 20 times pi. Here's the pi button, equals. And so we're going to round to the thousandths place, which is 3 decimal places. So it's going to be 62.83, and then this one is going to round up to a 2 because of the 8 after it. And it's still centimeters squared. Okay. So now all that's left to do is to find the total surface area. Okay? So the total surface area formula is pi r L plus pi r squared, the base. Okay? So we already know what the lateral surface area is here. We knew the radius was 4 and the slant height was 5. And now we need to plug in the radius again right here and square it. So our radius is 4. So let's see, 4 times 5 is 20. So here we get 20 pi. And then 4 squared. Remember, that means 4 times itself. 4 times 4 is 16, 16 pi. And when we add those two together, we get 36 pi. 36 pi centimeters squared. That is your answer in terms of pi. And remember, you can type that into your calculator to get the decimal answer. So I'm going to clear my calculator really quickly. And it's 36 times pi equals, and we get 113.097 centimeters squared. Okay, so these are our answers in terms of pi, and then we can type them in the calculator to get our decimal answers. Okay, if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments, and I'll respond as soon as I can. Okay, have a great day.